Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to add a crew logo in Blox Fruits. Okay, so this is a very easy and quick tutorial. You just have to log into your Roblox account. And then here, first we have to make decals. And to do that, you just have to tap create. Okay. And then once you're here, you just have to go to dashboard, tap this one. And then under dashboard, what you're going to do is to simply go to development items that is next to avatar items. And then next to audio, we have here decals. You just have to tap that one. And then after that, you just have to simply click upload asset. Okay. And then here, you just have to click upload and then tap that image that you wanted to import. For example, this one. Okay, you can rename if you want. You can add also, and then you can add description. For example, my AI image, but everything is up to you. You can add, you can type or not, and then click upload. Now, next is tap marketplace, and then here you just have to simply look for the option or feature that says images. And then what you're going to do here is to search for that image that you wanted to use in your Blox fruit. Okay, so for example, I'm looking for a gamer image, something like that. And then click enter. Then you will see tons of options here and features here with anything that is related to gamer. So let me choose this one. Now what you're going to do is simply tap this decal here. Okay, tap this one. And if you can see your decal that you have created before, you can use that too. But for the meantime, I will be using this one. Okay, and then now go to Roblox Home, go to Inventory, and then search for the decal that you wanted to use. Okay, scroll down, click decals. Then you will see here the output. Okay, so you just have to refresh if you can see that. So this is it. And then tap this one. This time, let's open Blox Fruit first. You can go to your Roblox home and then type Blox Fruits. Click this green button here and then play the game. Now, what you're going to do is to simply log into this account first. Okay, click Pirates, click Fast Mode, and then click this icon here. As you can see, this is the image. So we will change this one. Now go back to your Roblox, specifically to your decals, and then tap this link above and then copy this one. Okay, so control or select A, right click, click copy, or just control C if you want, and then paste it right here or control V. Okay, and then this is what it looks like. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and it will change your logo in your Blox Fruit. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.